Before I get into this video, I want to try something a little different. Most people think about making money online like climbing a ladder. You just go rung by rung and hope you don't fall. But I want you to think about it differently. Think of it like a traffic light system. Yeah, a traffic light. 3 colors, 3 levels, and every single side hustle you'll ever come across fits into one of them. Red light, stop and look around. These are the hustles that require no money and no special skill to start. You can literally start today, right now, with your phone and Wi-Fi. Red doesn't mean danger. It means pause, look around, and realize the opportunity is right in front of you. Yellow light, slow down and learn. These hustles require some skill, but still no money to start. You might need a week or 2 of learning, watching tutorials or practicing. But once you get it, the income can be serious. Green light, full speed ahead. These are for people ready to go all in. They require both skill and sometimes a little investment. But these are also the ones that can change your life the fastest. One of the side hustles in this category alone can make you up to $1,000 in a single day. Now, before we get into it, I need to be upfront with you. I am not here to tell you to spend hours watching ads for 2 cents a pop. I'm not going to tell you to sign up to some sketchy website to test apps for pennies, and I am definitely not going to tell you to fill out useless surveys that pay you $1.50 after 45 minutes of your time. You deserve better than that. And honestly, you can make better than that. Everything in this video is real, honest, and actually works in 2026. Some are easier than others, and I'll tell you exactly which ones require real work. No sugarcoating. Let's get into it. Red light hustles. The first side hustle on my list is theme pages. Alright, first up, and this one sits right here at the red light because you need absolutely nothing to start. Theme pages. So, what is a theme page? It's basically a social media account, usually on Instagram or TikTok, built around a specific niche or topic. Luxury cars, motivational quotes, funny dog videos, travel destinations, whatever you want. You're not showing your face. You're not creating original content from scratch. You're curating, reposting, editing, and growing an audience around a theme people already love. Here's how the money comes in. Once you hit a decent following, and in 2026 that can happen faster than ever with the right content, brands start paying you for shoutouts. You can sell your page, or you can redirect traffic to affiliate links and get paid commissions every time someone buys. I personally know 2 guys, 19 and 21 years old, who started a luxury lifestyle theme page during their university break. Within 5 months, they had over 400,000 followers across 2 platforms. They now charge $300 to $500 per brand shoutout and do nothing less than $3,000 a month combined. Passively. Is it a get-rich-quick thing? No. You'll need consistency for the first few weeks, but the barrier to entry is literally 0, just a phone and time. The second side hustle on the list is Content Critic. The second red light hustle is one most people have never even heard of, and that's exactly why there's so much money in it right now. Content Critic. Here's the idea. Creators, business owners, and brands are pumping out content every single day. YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram posts, ad campaigns. But most of them have no idea why their content isn't performing. They don't know if their hook is weak, if their thumbnail is off, or if their script is putting people to sleep. That's where you come in. As a content critic, you watch or review their content, write a detailed breakdown of what's working and what isn't, and give them actionable feedback. You can charge anywhere from $20 to $150 per review, depending on how deep you go. You don't need to be a creator yourself. You just need to be someone who watches a lot of content, which, let's be real, most of us already do. You just need to put that skill to work. You can find clients on Twitter or X TikTok comment sections, Reddit, or cold DMs on Instagram. And once you build a reputation, creators will come to you. This one is genuinely underrated and the market for it is growing fast. Yellow light hustles. The third on the list is thumbnail design. Now we're moving into yellow light territory. You'll need to learn something but still no money out of your pocket to get started. First up, thumbnail design. YouTube is not slowing down. In fact, it's growing, and every single YouTuber on the platform knows that a great thumbnail can be the difference between 500 views and 500,000 views. The problem, most YouTubers are great at making videos, but terrible at design. That's a gap, and you can fill it. You can learn thumbnail design on Canva, which is completely free. Or use Photoshop if you want to go deeper. Give yourself 2 to 3 weeks of genuine practice, study what makes thumbnails that get clicks, and start reaching out to smaller YouTubers. Rates start around $15 to $30 per thumbnail as a beginner. But experienced designers charge $100 to $300 per thumbnail. And some work with channels that upload multiple times a week. One girl I know started offering thumbnail design on Fiverr at age 17. She was charging $25 a piece. 6 months later, she had repeat clients and was making over $2,000 a month just from thumbnails alone. The skill curve is real, but it's short. And once you have a small portfolio, this snowballs fast. Number 4, creating logos. Still in yellow light, logo design. Every business, every brand, every creator needs a logo, and the demand for affordable quality logos is massive, especially from small businesses and startups that can't afford big design agencies. Same tools apply. Canva, Adobe Illustrator, or even AI-assisted tools that are now available in 2026. You don't need to be a full graphic designer. You need to understand basic design principles, color theory, fonts, spacing, and simplicity. Logos on Fiverr and platforms like 99 Designs can go from $30 on the low end to $500 and above for more professional custom work. The honest truth? This one takes a little more time to learn properly than thumbnails. If you rush it and deliver bad work, you'll get bad reviews and it'll hurt your reputation. But if you actually invest 2 to 4 weeks learning the craft and studying great logo design, this can be incredibly consistent income. You can also bundle your services, offer thumbnail design and logo design, and immediately become more attractive to clients. Number 5, digital products. This next one is special because once you do the work once, you get paid over and over again without doing anything extra. Digital products. A digital product is anything you create once and sell unlimited times. Notion templates, budget spreadsheet templates, social media caption packs, ebooks, online guides, preset filters for photos or videos, AI prompt packs, the list goes on. In 2026, the market for digital products is absolutely booming. People want shortcuts, tools, and resources, and they're willing to pay for them. You sell these on Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. Etsy alone has millions of buyers searching for Notion templates and productivity tools every single month. I'll be honest, the first few weeks you might not sell anything while you figure out SEO and how to market your product. That's normal. But once it starts moving, it moves on its own. A couple I came across online started selling a budgeting Notion template for $9. Nothing crazy, right? They sold over 3,000 copies in under a year. That's $27,000 from one template they made in a weekend. That's the power of digital products. Number 6, faceless content. Okay, this one I'm adding because it is one of the fastest growing opportunities right now, and it's only getting bigger. Faceless content creation, powered by AI tools. You've probably seen channels on YouTube with millions of views that never show a face. Narrated documentary-style videos, top 10 lists, history breakdowns, finance explainers. In 2026, AI tools have made it possible for almost anyone to produce this kind of content with a decent script, AI voiceovers, stock footage, and basic editing, all without showing your face or even recording your own voice. You script it, you use tools like 11 Labs for voice, CapCut or DaVinci Resolve for editing, and stock footage sites for visuals. Once a channel monetizes on YouTube, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you start earning from ads. Bigger channels in certain niches make $5,000 to $30,000 a month. Is it hard work? Yes, especially at the start. Building a channel takes patience, but the upside is enormous and the tools available now make it more accessible than ever before. This sits in yellow light because you'll need to learn video editing and script writing. But again, no money is required to start. Green light hustles. Number 7, web design. Welcome to the green light. Full speed ahead, but you need to show up ready. Starting with web design, every business needs a website, every single one, and most business owners have no clue how to build one. They need someone to do it for them, and they will pay good money for it. Web design in 2026 doesn't necessarily mean you need to code from scratch. Platforms like Webflow, Squarespace, and WordPress have made it possible to build professional websites without writing a single line of code. Though learning basic HTML and CSS will make you significantly more valuable. Entry-level web designers charge $500 to $1,500 per website. Experienced designers charge $3,000 to $10,000 and up. Ongoing maintenance retainers, where clients pay you monthly to keep their site running, are another consistent income stream. The learning curve here is the steepest of the group, and I want to be honest about that. Give yourself 1 to 3 months of serious study before you start taking paid clients. But once you're there, the income is life-changing. One freelance web designer I came across started with zero coding knowledge. After 4 months of learning Webflow and taking his first 2 clients at $800 each, he scaled to $8,000 a month within his first year. That's the green light in action. Number 8, high-ticket closer. This one right here, and if you get good at it, is the one that can make you $1,000 in a single day. High-ticket closing. Here's what it is. Companies and entrepreneurs who sell high-priced products or services, courses, coaching programs, software subscriptions, investment opportunities, need someone to close the sale on a phone call. They run the ads, they get the leads, they book the calls. You just hop on the phone, have a real conversation, understand the prospect's problem, and guide them to the solution, which is the product. If they buy, you get a commission. High-ticket products are typically $1,000 and above. Commissions usually sit between 10% to 20%, so on a $3,000 sale, you walk away with $300 to $600 from one phone call. Close 2 or 3 calls on a good day, that's your $1,000. And some closers do this every single day. Now I won't pretend this is easy. Sales is a skill. You'll face rejection. You'll have calls where you say everything right and still lose the deal. But if you're willing to learn human psychology, develop your communication skills, and handle rejection without quitting, the ceiling on this is almost unlimited. There are free resources on YouTube and paid training programs specifically for high-ticket closing. Some programs also place you with clients directly once you're trained. This is a green light hustle with a green light reward. Number 9, social media management. For the second to last hustle, social media management. Small and medium businesses know they need to be on social media. But most business owners are too busy running their actual business to post consistently, reply to comments, track analytics, and grow their pages. That's where a social media manager comes in. You handle everything: content planning, writing captions, scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and reporting results. Rates range from $500 to $2,000 per month per client. If you manage just 3 clients, that's $1,500 to $6,000 a month. Recurring, predictable, and you can do it from anywhere. The skills required are knowing how different platforms work, understanding what content performs well, and being organized enough to manage multiple clients at once. Tools like Buffer, Later, and Hootsuite make the workflow much more manageable. This one sits in green light because to command real rates, clients want to see results. And that means you need to actually understand social media strategy, not just posting. But once you have even 1 or 2 success stories to point to, landing clients becomes much easier. Number 10, freelance copywriting. And the final hustle, one of the most timeless and highest paying skills you can develop online, freelance copywriting. Copywriting is writing that sells. Website pages, email newsletters, product descriptions, sales pages, ad scripts. If words are being used to get someone to take action and spend money, that's copywriting. Every business that sells anything needs a copywriter, and good copywriters are genuinely hard to find. Beginners start around $25 to $50 per hour, or $200 to $500 per project. Experienced copywriters charge $1,000 to $5,000 for a single sales page. And the best ones? They charge royalties on top of flat fees, meaning they get a percentage of every sale their copy generates. I'll be straight with you. Copywriting takes time to master. You have to study human behavior, understand what motivates people to buy, and practice writing consistently. Give it 2 to 3 months of dedicated learning. But here's the thing. Good copy is AI resistant. Clients want a human who understands their brand, their audience, and their voice. This skill isn't going anywhere. If anything, it's becoming more valuable as the internet gets noisier and standing out becomes harder. This is a green light hustle with one of the longest lasting career paths of anything on this list. All right, so there you have it. 10 real, honest, working side hustles for 2026, organized by the traffic light system. Red light, no skill, no money, theme pages and content critic. Yellow light, learn first, then earn. Thumbnail design, logo creation, digital products, and faceless content creation. Green light, skill up and go all in. Web design, high ticket closing, social media management, and freelance copywriting. Here's what I want you to take away from this. There is no perfect side hustle. There's only the one you actually start. Pick the one that fits where you are right now, your skills, your time, your situation, and go all in on it. If this video helped you, drop a comment and let me know which side hustle you're going with. Like the video if you want more content like this, and subscribe if you're serious about building income in 2026. I'll see you in the next one.